Are you struggling to get your website to rank on the first page of search engines? Do you feel like you're doing everything right, but your SEO efforts just aren't paying off? Don't worry, you're not alone. SEO can be a complex and confusing process, and without the right tools and knowledge, it can be difficult to get the results you want. But what if there was a way to take the guesswork out of SEO and get a clear roadmap for optimizing your website? That's where SEOTEST.LIVE comes in. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to show you how to use SEOTEST.LIVE to run comprehensive SEO reports and identify errors on your website. With our step-by-step guide, you'll be able to optimize your website for search engines, performance, security, and user experience, and start seeing real results in your search engine ranking. So sit back, relax, and get ready to take your website to the next level with SEOTEST.LIVE. But before we dive into the details, let's start with a quick question. Do you know what the most important factor in search engine optimization is? It's not the number of backlinks or the quality of your content, but rather the technical structure of your website. That's right, technical SEO is the foundation of your website's search engine optimization. So, in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing how to run SEO reports to analyze errors using SEOTEST.LIVE. We'll cover various aspects of SEO, performance, security, and miscellaneous issues, and provide you with valuable insights on how to optimize them to improve your website's ranking. Section 1. SEO. In this section, we'll be looking at various aspects of SEO and how to optimize them to improve your website's search engine ranking. Title. Your website's title is the first thing that people see when they visit your website. It's also an essential part of SEO, as it tells search engines what your website is all about. To optimize your title tag, make sure it includes your primary keywords and accurately describes your website's content. If you don't have a title tag, your website is losing valuable SEO points. Meta description. Your website's meta description is a brief summary of what your website is all about. It should accurately describe your website's content and include your primary keywords. To optimize your meta description, make sure it is SEO friendly and provides a good user experience. You can use the description to attract visitors to click on your website in search results. Headings. Headings provide structure to your website's content. To optimize your headings, make sure they accurately describe your content and include your primary keywords. Use H1 tags for your main headings and H2 tags for subheadings. Headings are essential to help users navigate your website and for search engines to understand your content. Content keywords. Content keywords are the words and phrases that people use to search for content on the internet. To optimize your content keywords, make sure they accurately describe your content and include your primary keywords. Use keywords naturally in your content and avoid keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing can harm your website's ranking. Image keywords. Images are an important part of your website's content. To optimize your images, make sure they are SEO friendly and include your primary keywords. Use descriptive file names and alt tags for your images. Including images can help your content be more engaging for users. SEO friendly URL. Your website's URL is an important part of SEO. To optimize your URL, make sure it is SEO friendly and includes your primary keywords. Use hyphens to separate words in your URL. If your URL is a string of numbers or characters, it is difficult for search engines and users to understand it. 404 page. A 404 error page is the page that is displayed when a user tries to access a page on your website that does not exist. To optimize your 404 page, make sure it provides a good user experience and encourages users to stay on your website. Include a search bar and links to other pages on your website. A well-designed 404 page can help users stay on your website and find the content they are looking for. Robots. Text. The robots text file is a file that tells search engines which pages on your website they should or should not crawl. To optimize your robots, make sure it includes all the necessary information and is SEO friendly. Make sure to include a site map in your robots. A well-optimized robots text file can help search engines better understand your website's structure. No index. The no index tag tells search engines not to index a particular page on your website. To use the no index tag correctly, make sure it does not negatively impact your website's SEO. Use the no index tag for pages that have duplicate content or are not important for SEO. Using the no index tag on important pages can hurt your website's ranking. In-page links. In-page links are links that take users to another part of the same page. To optimize your in-page links, make sure they provide a good user experience and are SEO friendly. Use descriptive anchor text and make sure the links are easy to find. In-page links can help users navigate your website and find the content they are looking for. Language. The language of your website is an important part of SEO. To optimize your website's language, make sure it is SEO-friendly and helps your website rank higher on search engines. Use language tags and make sure to provide content in the language that your target audience speaks. This can help your website reach a wider audience. Favicon. A favicon is the small icon that appears in the browser tab when someone visits your website. To optimize your favicon, make sure it is SEO friendly and provides a good user experience. Use a favicon that is easy to recognize and represents your brand. A well-designed favicon can help users recognize your brand and remember your website. Section number 2, Performance. In this section, we'll be looking at how to improve your website's performance by optimizing various factors. Text compression. Text compression is the process of compressing your website's text files to reduce their size. To optimize text compression, use gzip compression to reduce the size of your text files. Compressing your text files can help your website load faster and improve its performance. Load time. Load time is the amount of time it takes for your website to load. To optimize load time, reduce the size of your files, minimize the number of HTTP requests, and use a Content Delivery Network (CDN) to deliver your website's content. Improving your website's load time can help improve its user experience. Page size. Page size is the amount of data that is transferred when someone visits your website. To optimize page size, reduce the size of your files, compress your images, and use a CDN to deliver your website's content. Reducing your page size can help your website load faster and improve its performance. HTTP requests. HTTP requests are the requests made by the browser to the server for data. To optimize HTTP requests, minimize the number of requests, use a CDN to deliver your website's content, and use caching to reduce the number of requests. Reducing your website's HTTP requests can help improve its performance. Image format. The image format you use on your website can have a significant impact on your website's performance. To optimize image format, use JPG or PNG format for your images, and use compression to reduce the size of your images. Choosing the right image format and compressing your images can help improve your website's performance. JavaScript differ. JavaScript is an important part of many websites, but it can also slow down your website's load time. To optimize JavaScript differ, load JavaScript files at the end of your HTML document and use async and defer attributes to load scripts. Properly loading your JavaScript files can help improve your website's performance. DOM size. DOM size refers to the size of the HTML document on your website. To optimize DOM size, reduce the size of your HTML document, use external CSS and JavaScript files, and minimize the use of inline styles and scripts. Reducing your website's DOM size can help improve its performance. Section number 3, Security. In this section, we'll be looking at how to improve your website's security by optimizing various factors. HTTPS encryption. HTTPS encryption is essential for website security. To optimize HTTPS encryption, use SSL/TLS encryption, use a valid SSL certificate, and redirect HTTP requests to HTTPS. Improving your website's HTTPS encryption can help protect your users' data and improve their trust in your website. Mixed content. Mixed content refers to content on your website that is delivered over both HTTPS and HTTP. To optimize mixed content, make sure all your website's content is delivered over HTTPS and avoid using HTTP requests. Avoiding mixed content can help protect your users' data and improve their trust in your website. Server signature. Your server signature can provide attackers with information about your server and its software. To optimize server signature, disable server signature or use a generic server signature. Disabling your server signature can help improve your website's security. Unsafe cross-origin links. Unsafe cross-origin links can be used by attackers to steal data from your website. To optimize cross-origin links, avoid using unsafe cross-origin links or use the cross-origin resource sharing curse mechanism. Using safe cross-origin links can help protect your users' data and improve your website's security. Plain text email. Plain text email is insecure and can be intercepted by attackers. To optimize email, use secure email protocols such as STARDTLS or SMTPS, and use encryption to protect your email messages. Using secure email protocols and encryption can help protect your users' data and improve your website's security. Section number 4. Miscellaneous. In this section, we'll be looking at various other factors that can impact your website's search engine ranking and user experience. Structured data. Structured data is important for search engine optimization as it provides additional information about your website's content. To optimize structured data, use schema, org markup, and make sure your markup is valid. Adding structured data to your website can help improve its search engine ranking. Meta viewport. The meta viewport tag is important for website responsiveness on mobile devices. To optimize meta viewport, use the meta viewport tag to specify the viewport width and scale your website's content to fit the screen. Optimizing your meta viewport can help improve your website's user experience on mobile devices. Character set. The character set of your website can impact how your website is displayed on different devices. To optimize character set, use a UTF-8 character set and make sure your content is properly encoded. Using a proper character set can help improve your website's user experience. Sitemap. A sitemap is a file that lists all the pages on your website. To optimize the sitemap, create an XML sitemap and make sure it includes all the necessary information, such as the last modification date, the frequency of updates, and the priority of the pages. Adding a sitemap to your website can help search engines better understand your website's structure. Social media. Social media is an important part of many websites. To optimize social media, make sure your website has social media profiles and use social media to engage with your audience and promote your website's content. Using social media can help drive traffic to your website and improve your website's visibility. Content length. The length of your website's content can impact your website's search engine ranking. To optimize content length, make sure your content is high quality, relevant, and valuable to your audience. Use headers and subheaders to break up your content and make it easier to read. High quality, relevant content can help improve your website's search engine ranking. Text to HTML ratio. The text to HTML ratio is the ratio of text to HTML on your website. To optimize text to HTML ratio, make sure your website has more text than HTML, and use HTML tags only where necessary. Using HTML tags appropriately can help improve your website's search engine ranking. Inline CSS. Inline CSS is CSS code that is included in the HTML document. To optimize inline CSS, use external CSS files instead of inline CSS, and use the style tag only where necessary. Using external CSS files can help improve your website's performance. Deprecated HTML. Deprecated HTML refers to HTML elements that are no longer used in HTML5. To optimize deprecated HTML, replace deprecated HTML elements with HTML5 elements and remove unnecessary HTML elements. Using up-to-date HTML elements can help improve your website's search engine ranking and user experience. Extra features. In addition to the features we have covered, SEOTEST.LIVE offers many other features, such as a CRP checker, indexed pages checker, and many more. These features can provide you with valuable insights into your website's search engine ranking and help you identify areas for improvement. That's it for this video tutorial on how to run SEO reports to analyze errors using SEOTEST.LIVE. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into how to optimize your website for search engines, performance, security, and user experience. By using SEOTEST.LIVE to identify and fix errors on your website, you can improve its search engine ranking and provide a better user experience for your visitors. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below.